Open House is sponsored by Pyramid Heating and Cooling.
Now I'm heading to Skyline Homes in McMinnville. Their manufactured homes boast traditional curb appeal, but with a level of craftsmanship that's anything but the norm.
Shane.
Eric.
Good to see you, my friend.
You as well. Pleasure having you here today.
Going online, you guys have a ton of plans. There's a ton of options in there.
We have small park models all the way up to 5-bed, 3-bath, 2,700 square foot triple wides. We have a home pretty much for everybody.
This is beautiful.
So this particular home is a new series from the factory, so it's brand new, haven't been seen before.
There's no way standing in here that you could say, oh, this is a manufactured home.
You know, the way that they're built nowadays are completely different than in the past.
This is not my grandmother's 1977 double wide.
Definitely not.
Man, I love the big ceilings, the huge hallway.
This is a 3-bed, 2-bath unit.
We need one of these so my camera crew, you guys, have a place to stay on those late work nights. Nobody would ever expect that to be a manufactured home.
No, it definitely fools everybody. Really bringing in the aesthetics and utilizing a lot of really cool features. It's an ADU unit, part of the Genesis series, so ADUs are huge right now. People are always struggling to find places to place their new manufactured home. So usually when you own extra property, ADU is the way to go.
And this is so quick and easy, right? I mean, you're not out there building for 6 months to get it done. Site prep, this comes in, and a week later, you're rocking and rolling.
Exactly right.
Wow, look at this kitchen over here.
Yes, this island is 11 feet long, and it's quartz.
Yeah, I mean, this is designed for somebody that likes to cook, right? Have family, friends. This is just the center and the heart of the home right here.
Definitely can entertain in a home like this, plenty of space.
Cool, I gotta check out this primary bathroom back here because you guys do this so good. It's always exciting to see what's around the corner.
We have a 6-foot shower, which is fantastic. If you even wanted, you can put 2 shower heads in here. So taking advantage of affordable factory-built housing allows customers to throw in those extra options while maintaining their budget.
And it's built inside, so you don't have to worry about any of the weather, the damages stuff as you're going through a build. Should we go over and take a look at the factory? Because I always like seeing things getting built.
Yes.
It is really awe-inspiring to witness these precision-built designs come together. And if you visit Skyline in person, you can take the factory tour too and see it for yourself. Whether you're in the market for a secondary dwelling unit or even a first-time home buyer, Skyline is a one-stop shop that makes picking out your next home as simple as it gets.